Hello beautiful souls, welcome to my channel where we explore the journey to better health through the lens of holistic nutrition. My name is Hasina and today I'd like to share with you what holistic nutrition has taught me, especially as a sickle cell warrior who has used these principles to transform my health. Living with sickle cell anemia comes with its challenges, but I've discovered that holistic nutrition is a powerful tool in my self-care toolkit. It's not just about what we eat, it's about nourishing our entire being, from our body to mind and spirit. This journey has taught me that health isn't just a one-size-fits-all approach. It's deeply personal and rooted in understanding our unique biochemistry. Holistic nutrition is all about balance. Let's start with body. This is where nutrition comes in, nourishing our bodies with whole, live, natural foods that supports our unique needs. But this goes beyond just diet. It also incorporates movement and hydration and the way we care for our physical selves daily. The mind and spirit are just as crucial. For me, practices like Reiki, meditation, and yoga have been transformative. They help me manage stress, connect with my inner self, and maintain a positive outlook, even on those tough days. The mind-body-spirit connection is real, and by nurturing our emotional and mental states, we can help to support our physical well-being. Another key lesson I've learned is the importance of non-invasive assessments. These are tools that help us to understand our unique biochemistry without the need of using invasive procedures. Whether it is through hair mineral analysis, bioscan assessments, or other methods, these insights allow us to tailor our self-care routines to what our bodies truly need. Holistic nutrition has taught me that health is a journey and not a destination. It's about listening to your body, understanding what it needs, and nurturing it with love and care. As a sickle cell warrior, I've learned to honor my unique needs and empower myself with knowledge so that I can live my life to the fullest. Thank you for joining me on this wellness journey. If you're curious on how holistic nutrition can help support your health, or if you're on a similar path, I would love to hear from you. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave your thoughts and questions in the comments below. Together, we can create a community of wellness warriors supporting each other on this beautiful journey to health and happiness.